This is instant cake mix. I just prepared. Just in 5 minutes exactly the cake will be ready. I didn't add any baking soda or baking powder into this. I took 1 cup of gulab jamun mix. It is of MTR company. I have taken. You can take anything of your choice. And along with 1 cup of gulab jamun powder, I added 1 by 4th cup of custard powder for essence. And I just added half cup of, or you can take 1 by 4th cup of dry fruits as your choice. I took walnuts and added them. And finally I added 1 by 4th cup of water and half cup of sugar powder. You can reduce the sugar if you want. By before that, for 1 by 4th cup of sugar you can add few fruits like raw soft banana or some other fruits like strawberries as you wish. Here I just made a plain this one, but it is very nice, a spongy structure it has come. I just gave one little beating only, nothing else stronger. Just I mixed it, that's all, and kept in a micro oven safe bowl by adding little 2 spoons of oil I added in this batter. General cooking oil, not the peanut oil, it will smell. You can use olive oil or butter or ghee. I just tried in a simple way in this pattern, but it is really very tasty and very soft and very exciting also, because it was just cooked in 5 minutes without adding baking soda or baking powder. You can truly and honestly try this once and you can enjoy the taste. And I just kept in a micro oven, and at high temperature I cooked it directly for 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes because it may burn off, because everything is soft here, custard and gulab jamun mix, everything. Actually you can understand one clue here. Gulab jamun mix, what is the ingredient? It is maida only. Maida is in a soft texture, and already for making gulab jamuns, that flour itself is very soft. Instead of vanilla essence I added custard powder. Both are very soft and good, and I added walnuts and sugar. You can think it the you can imagine what will be the taste. And if possible, because for vegetarians it is very difficult to get the spongy texture if tips are not followed, but how easy it has come that I have tried. If you are unable to treat it as a cake, you can treat it as a instant sweet also. And every time I can't take special interest for the photography or video, because honestly it is very difficult to cook regularly at home, and I simplify the work by using many useful and tips. Kindly judge the taste or anything, any food recipe, by cooking and eating with your tongue. Only with eyes we cannot judge all the time. So it may satisfy our eyes for some time, but if the taste is not good, you people get hurted. So sometimes I do tell you very clearly what all the recipes in what way I'm using. For example, that other day puffed rice recipe just yesterday only I uploaded. If you take other brand of puffed rice, it won't come properly. I used Safe Harvest. In that